Hello guys, today is Monday 13 March 26. Right now it's 1 p.m. 39. Like, look at the what's happening. Snow, hail, grapple, heavy rain. Look, what the heck? Look, snow is coming again. The weather also said that warning for thunderstorm, warning for wind gusts, warning for I don't know. Literally, what is happening? What? And it's also cold. Is this the weather from Germany? I don't want to live there, maybe. But where's the thunderstorm? I don't see any. It said warnings, yeah. Not in my city, but some parts of Germany. They're gonna have thunderstorms, heavy snow, more. Yeah. We still have wind gusts, rain, heavy rain, and grapple or snow. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go goodbye now. It's cold. Bye.